35, you treatment, 35.
You have to be somewhere that like literally.
But the thing about it is, right now, you're not going on this airplane. The crew has denied you boarding. If I wasn't here, the crew would sit down.
So you're just going on hearsay and violating Southwest policy then, right?
What am I supposed to do then?
I might not be jet way we'll talk about it. You're going to get your belongings gone.
Still saying?
Can you tell us the policy that prevents him from taking his mask off while he's eating, please?
I was not here or present. The crew has denied.
Okay, but you're seeing him with eating, so please tell me the policy. Tell the crew to tell me the policy that says he cannot eat with his mask off.
Right now. Well, I'll call the police and have them.
It's the hat.
It's the hat. It's the hat and the mask. It's not the eating. I fly 3 times a week.
Here's the deal.
I haven't really done anything, so.
But you're being denied boarding by the crew. The crew is not going
For
to
what
take
though?
you.
I didn't do anything.
We'll discuss it outside.
I'll go with him.
What'd you say?
I said I'll go with him.
Yeah, but
You guys
I
don't want to go with
mask
him.
on.
I'll go with him. I'll go with him.
Do you have anything to do with this?
So, can you clarify for us, are we not allowed to take our masks off to eat on this plane? Can you please clarify, are not allowed to take our masks off to eat on this plane or not?
Listen to the flight crew and follow their instructions.
So, are you going to tell us that we can take our masks off to eat on the plane? See, he did cooperate. Here you go. Say that again.
He put his mask on. He took it off when he started eating the nuts. That was it. I was sitting right here.
So,